welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to download Indian bikes. Come, let's go to Play Store. Then search YCT KTM bike. Then the first will be only Indian Bike Simulator 3D app. Then install it. I am installing it before only. I will open this. It's here. Friends, you want to select which bike you want to ride. It is a Hero Honda CD100 and this is a Royal Enfield. This is a Pulsar. This is a KTM. This is a Royal Enfield. Okay friends, which bike you want to select? You select. I want to selecting Pulsar. See friends, how to ride it. Which want internet friends. Then go to near Pulsar bike.